Hey guys, episode 40 of the crypto portfolio series. So didn't expect to be up this week. This was the big selling week of the new ISA season. So between last Monday and some just this morning, I've sold about 24,000's worth, and still am up about £10,000 on last week. So about 34,000 in gains in the last week. So very, very happy with that. Long may it continue. Not a huge amount of news this week. Everyone's still a little bit baffled by what caused the jump yesterday. Really hoping it isn't just a tweet from Elon Musk. He said crypto is going to moon very soon, although this tweet was after the sort of initial jump. So whether he has actually had anything to do with it, some people are sort of speculating whether SpaceX would buy some Bitcoin for their treasury. I haven't sort of read how much cash SpaceX actually has. Obviously, they don't have the revenue of Tesla, unless he means Tesla have bought potentially some more Bitcoin. But I'm sure we'll see that in the next couple of weeks. But yeah, not too bad. So looking at the portfolio, it's pretty much all the altcoins for the week that have had the move. Bitcoin's up about 4%, which is mainly sort of in the last day, yesterday morning. Ethereum, sort of similar move really, 4.8%. But it's the smaller altcoins that have sort of made the move. Litecoin doing really well, 28%. It's sort of lagging behind the other cryptos, but it does have its pumps every now and then. So really happy with that. Thinking about probably taking some off the table at £200. Sort of nice round figure. It's not really a resistance because all the sort of resistance points tend to be in dollars, so £200 doesn't have a great deal of impact. So would probably sell 30 Litecoin at that sort of price. Ethereum, I was kind of looking at 1750 really. So a little bit of way to go on there. Cardano, not really doing too much, 3.7% up. Still sort of waiting for this to pop back up. The all-time high was about £1.07, if I remember. Yeah, not too high, but not doing too bad. Omise Go, 38% in the week. So yeah, another significant move for this. Not seeing any particular news to make this rocket up, but I'll have to have a read up. XLM, even better, 54% on the week. This seems to be partly off the back of Ripple, XRP doing well. Stella's sort of the competitor, and then XRP is 136% up for the week. So this is a little bit ridiculous. So I took the opportunity to sell 4,000 Stella and 2,500 XRP this morning. So it was about 4,000. Yeah. And on Monday last week, the sales were 300 Omise Go, 2,000 basic attention token, 30,000 Tron, 6,000 Power Ledger, and I think that was it actually. Yeah, so, and obviously a quarter of a Bitcoin. So it takes me down to 5.25 now. So yeah, that was 20,000 last week, and then XLM and XRP this morning, about 4,000's worth. So just looking at some of the other coins, basic attention token 24.5% up, dropped down a little bit from the highs, and Tron in the last week sort of come down slightly from the highs it was previously, but still doing well, 4.8% up in the week, so it pretty much matches Bitcoin. Power Ledger still doing pretty well, 13% up for the week. Again, I won't be sort of waiting too long to sell this. Probably another 6,000 or so, maybe even 50p. It was always sort of a low cap one for me. It's not even in the top 100, so as it rises, I'll probably take some profit. EOS 18% up, so doing pretty well. I was kind of thinking £6 maybe to take some more off the table on this, but yeah, we'll see what happens. Dash doing pretty well as well, 21%. I mean, this is one of the ones that was sort of miles off all-time highs. I think that was about sort of £1,200 or something. So I was kind of just sort of waiting to see if this would have a pump like it did back in 2017, but I don't think they've got quite as much use as they were predicting. So some of these are sort of well off all-time highs, some are blowing through new all-time highs, but yeah, we'll see where they go. That's why I like having a diversified portfolio. And Dogecoin 16% up, so probably sell off the last of this if it gets back towards its sort of all-time highs. It's known to have a crazy little pump. And BitTorrent just sort of coming away off the highs it had before. I mean, it's only sort of £50 for me, so not a huge one to keep an eye on. Probably just sell that off if it gets to sort of £100 or so again. Just yeah, don't have to focus on it then. So yeah, that's the portfolio for the week. Great week. Hoping for more gains. There's a lot of stocks I want to be buying at the moment, so would like to sort of take a reasonable amount more of this out in the next couple of weeks, maybe next month, and yeah, go into stocks. So leave your thoughts in the comments below, and drop a like, as always appreciated, and subscribe if you want to see more. See you soon.